Good afternoon. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate a simple circuit that will display Morse code for the 10 digits. This is the circuit right here, on number 2. So, for those of you who are unfamiliar with Morse code, you can see it's right here. Those are the digits, the dots and dashes. So, what we're going to do here, I'm going to connect the circuit and upload the program, and then demonstrate its functionality. Uploading the program now. Upload's complete. Now, what we're going to do is I just put in some simple input here. First we're going to do the numbers 1, 2, 3. So you can see here. And let's test it out. Testing right now. Very good. Now we're going to test the numbers 4, 5, 6. And now 7, 8, 9, 0. This circuit is very simple to build with a Arduino hardware platform, and the program can certainly be extended to letters as well, pretty trivially. This project was only for the numbers though. Alright, there you have it.